In this video, I'll show you how to fix the camera not working on your Lenovo laptop. Let's get started. First, check if your camera is physically blocked. Some Lenovo laptops have a privacy shutter, so make sure it's open. Next, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From there, click on Privacy and Security, then select Camera. Make sure Camera Access is turned on, and also allow apps to use your camera. Now, let's check the camera driver. Right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Expand the Cameras section. Right-click on your camera device and click Update Driver, then choose Search Automatically for drivers. If the issue still isn't fixed, right-click again and select Uninstall Device. After that, go to the top menu, click on Action, and select Scan for hardware changes to reinstall the driver. Finally, open the camera app and see if it's working. And that's it. That's how you can fix camera issues on a Lenovo laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.